Most people ask the wrong question when starting YouTube. They ask, how many subscribers do I need to make money? But that's not the real question. The real question is, how many videos do you actually need to upload before YouTube pays you your first $100? Because the truth is this, some faceless channels hit $100 with just a handful of videos, while others upload dozens and still make nothing. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how many videos it takes to make your first $100 on YouTube, especially with a faceless channel, using real numbers, real scenarios, and realistic expectations. No hype, no fake screenshots, just the truth. And by the end of this video, you'll know if you're close or still very far away. Let's clear this up immediately. Uploading more videos does not automatically mean you'll make more money. YouTube doesn't pay you per upload. It pays you based on views, watch time, ad performance. That means one strong video can outperform 10 weak ones, and one bad niche can keep you stuck forever. This is why some people upload 50 videos and still haven't made $100, while others upload 10 videos and already get paid. So instead of asking how many videos, we need to ask something more important. For a video to make money, 3 things must happen. First, your channel must be monetized through the YouTube Partner Program. That requires 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 public watch hours or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Second, your video must continue getting views after it's uploaded. And third, your niche must have a decent RPM. RPM simply means how much money you earn per 1,000 views. Once you understand that, the math becomes very clear. RPM varies massively depending on niche. For faceless YouTube channels in 2026, RPM usually looks like this. Low RPM, $1 to $3. Motivation, facts, viral clips. Mid RPM, $4 to $7. Tutorials, AI tools, side hustles. High RPM, $8 to $15 plus. Finance, online business software. This one number changes everything, because now we can answer the real question. Let's break this down using realistic scenarios. Scenario 1, low RPM faceless channel. Let's say RPM equals $2. Average views per video equals 5,000. Each video earns about $10 to reach $100. You need around 10 videos, and that's after monetization. This is why low RPM niches require many uploads, high volume, constant consistency. Scenario 2, mid RPM faceless channel. Now let's improve the niche. Let's say RPM equals $5. Average views per video equals 4,000. Each video earns about $20 to reach $100. You need around 5 videos. This is the sweet spot for most beginner faceless channels. Not viral, not complicated, just smart topic selection. Scenario 3, high RPM faceless channel. Now let's look at high-paying niches. Let's say RPM equals $10. Average views per video equals 2,500. Each video earns about $25. To reach $100, you need just 4 videos. This is why some small channels quietly make money with very few uploads, not because they're lucky, but because their videos are worth more per view. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most faceless channels don't fail because they don't upload enough. They fail because they choose low-paying niches. Their videos stop getting views. Their watch time is low. If viewers don't stay long enough, ads don't perform, RPM drops, income stays low. So even if you upload 20 videos, if each one only gets 500 views, you're not hitting $100 anytime soon. If you want to reach your first $100 with fewer uploads, focus on this. 1. Pick a monetizable niche. 2. Create search-based videos. 3. Maximize retention. Faceless channels grow fastest when they solve specific problems, answer money-related questions, Keep viewers watching past 50%. This tells YouTube this content is valuable, and valuable content gets pushed. So how many videos does it take to make $100 on YouTube with a faceless channel? Anywhere from 4 videos in high RPM niches to 10 or more videos in low RPM niches. Subscribers don't decide your income. Strategy does. If you want to build a faceless YouTube channel that actually makes money, subscribe and check out my other videos on how many views it takes to make $100, how long monetization really takes, and how much YouTube pays faceless channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.